Ever think about where a kilogram comes from? We're diving into its surprisingly epic story.
So how much does a kilogram weigh? Simple question, right? Well, not exactly. That answer has changed.
Believe it or not, this all kicked off during the French Revolution. Scientists wanted a standard from nature.
Our journey has three big stops. First up, the late 1700s, and a really clever idea.
The first definition was super simple: the mass of 1 liter of water. Easy, right?
Well, turns out it was a mess. Water's mass changes with heat, pressure, everything. Not very reliable.
So, science needed something better. They ditched water for a man-made object, 1 master kilogram.
Okay, next stop, 1889. It was time to meet the new king of kilograms.
Meet Le Grand K. This little metal cylinder in Paris became the kilogram for the whole world.
For over a century, this one object was the kilogram. Everything was compared back to it.
But there was a huge problem. This perfect object wasn't so perfect.
Yeah, Le Grand K and its copies were actually changing weight. We're talking tiny amounts, but it mattered.
So the hunt was back on, this time for a kilogram defined by the laws of physics itself.
And that brings us to our final stop, 2019, and a seriously revolutionary new idea.
Now, the kilogram is based on Planck's constant. It's a fundamental, unchangeable number in physics.
So instead of an object, it's a number, kind of like defining a meter using the speed of light.
So check out the difference. We went from a physical thing in a vault to a universal constant.
Okay, so who cares, right? Why does a perfect kilogram matter? It's actually a huge deal.
Because a stable kilogram is crucial for everything from global science to the phone in your pocket.
The kilogram story shows that even simple things have a deep history. Makes you wonder, right?